Welcome to the channel of Kula Tactical. This is the review of the VSS Vintorez STO 9x39. That model weighs only 595 pounds or 2.7 kilograms. It's possible to fix on it a real recent scope like PSO1 or POSP, without any adaptator unlike models from China. The lightweight of that VSS Vintorez make it really pleasant to use, and it's also only 100 grams more than the real model, without any bullets in the magazine. The stock of that VSS Vintorez is the most realistic ever made. The color is the perfect imitation of the real model. Furthermore, the stock thickness is the exact copy of the original scale. The version you can see in this video uses a slim motor. That way the pistol grip can be the closest to the real one. That VSS Vintorez made by 9x39 STO does not only solve every problems occurred with China's manufacturers, it also provides a high quality finishing. Every little details are recreated in that version, like marking in the body, the design of the suppressor, and even the end guard can be changed with a real one. The original short mag made for VSS Vintorez can contain 45 BBs, but it can be changed with the ISVAL magazine, which contained 90 BBs. Like in AK-47, the rear sight is adjustable in height. The pop-up unit is made with metal and is adjustable. Right here is the magazine catch button. The safety is placed on the right side of the gun and does not include the selector fire, which is placed just behind the trigger. A fixation to attach a sling is placed on the left side of the stock. To install a battery, you need to remove the suppressor. It is fixed with the screw just under the rear sight. The ultimate battery to run your VSS Vintorez is a 3-block 11.1 volt. To know the exact battery size that you can put in the VSS Vintorez suppressor, please read the description in our website.